Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all of you are fine at home. I am Muhammad Alam, lecturer of botany for class inter. I welcome you all students. Video class is very useful forum which has provided you the academic goals without physical present in the college. Therefore, student, you should avail opportunity by in all these videos class. Student, today is one of the most important topic of this chapter. It is related with growth, development and primary growth in plants. Primary growth in plants is the main topic of this lecture. Before the explanation of primary growth in plants, I explain some terminology, growth and development. Student, here I would like to share with you the key objective or overview of this topic. The main purpose of this lecture to explain the definition of terms growth, development, primary growth, meristems, primary growth in detail. Now we explain the definition of growth and development. What is growth? Growth is a process of size increase which is irreversible. It means cannot back to the origin. And other definition is that growth is a process in which increase the size and weight is called growth. It is caused by number of cells increment and cell size increment. Growth has quantitative property, can be measured, for example height and weight. Now development. What is development? Development is a process of becoming mature. Development has a qualitative property, cannot be measured. And other definition is that development is a process through not increase size and weight is called development. For example, production of flower in plant, the change of seed to sprout, hen lay eggs. These three examples are the development. Now the main topic is a primary growth in plants. What is primary growth? Primary growth is the upward growth of stem and the downward growth of roots. It is the type of growth that make plant longer. It is type of growth that make plant the longer. Primary growth. Most primary growth occur at the apex or tip of the stems and roots. Primary growth is the result of rapidly dividing cell in the apical meristems at the shoot tip and root tip. So now student, I explain an experiment through the diagram how primary growth take place and which type of tissues involved in the primary growth and which type of cell dividing take part in this growth. So now here is a diagram of plants. Primary growth, when increase the length of shoot and increase the length of roots, then we call primary growth. In this result, seedling produce a mature plants. During primary growth, seedling produce a mature plants. Another definition, process through seedling produce mature plant is called primary growth. However, you see the increase the length of shoot and increase the length of roots. This process takes place due to the primary growth. During primary growth, when increase the shoot and roots through increasing our growth of plants, the production of leaves and the production of branches also. Now, how primary growth take place? Primary growth take place through the special type of tissues is called meristem tissues. Meristem tissues present the top region or tip region of plants. Here is two region. Number one is roots region and number one is shoot region. Meristem tissues present upward of the shoot and a lower word of the roots. Where present the meristem tissues, their region present the actively dividing cells. That actively dividing cells region is called growth region. Apical meristem tissues present on the tip of plants portion. So apical meristems present in tip of shoot and also the tip of roots. These two portions continuously dividing with the apical meristeme cell. Then increase the upper portion of shoots and lower portion of roots. So student, this is the experiment of primary growth, how primary growth take place in plants. Now two terminology with relative to primary growth. Now I define indeterminate growth. Indeterminate growth is also called primary growth. Growth takes place throughout life. It means in plants growth takes place continuously, but not a limit where the plant growth is stopped. But in indeterminate growth continuously grow up the plants, no limitation. This is called indeterminate growth. Roots and shoots growth is called indeterminate growth. Second is determinate growth. Determinate growth is a limiting growth, mostly present in plants, but those parts, for example seed, leaves and fruit. Fruit, leaves and seed are show the determinate growth. So student, this is all about primary growth and the terminology growth, development, how to primary growth occur in plants, and what is called in other terminology of primary growth, like indeterminate growth. Primary growth is called in other word indeterminate growth, and second is determinate growth. So student, I hope you understood my lecture very well, and next lecture I explain the secondary growth. Allah Hafiz.